Does traveler's insurance cover rental cars? Yes, traveler's insurance typically extends your personal auto insurance coverage to rental vehicles, provided you have the appropriate coverages in your policy. This means that if you have liability, comprehensive, and collision coverage on your personal vehicle, these protections usually apply to rental cars used for personal purposes within the United States. Coverage details. Liability coverage. If you have liability insurance with travelers, it generally extends to rental cars, covering injuries or damages you may cause to others while driving the rental vehicle. Comprehensive and collision coverage. If your traveler's policy includes comprehensive and collision coverage, this protection typically applies to rental cars, covering damages to the rental vehicle resulting from incidents like accidents, theft, or natural disasters. Considerations. Rental car company insurance. While your personal auto policy may cover rental cars, rental companies offer their own insurance options. Purchasing coverage from the rental company can provide additional protection and may have a lower or no deductible, meaning you pay less out of pocket in the event of a claim. International rentals. Your personal auto policy covers you only in the US and Canada. If you're renting a car in another country, you may need separate or additional coverage. Travelers. Insurance generally extends your personal auto policy coverages to rental cars used for personal purposes within covered territories. However, it's important to review your specific policy details and consider additional coverage options to ensure adequate protection. To see the best offers on auto insurance in your state today, click on the link in the description below.